So I've got some oil pastels here, similar colours to what I've been using, and I'm just going to use a little bit, not too much, a little bit of the oil pastels just to bring out some of the colours that I've got going on here, just to give another kind of texture to what I've... See, I love that texture. So you still see the nice dark bits coming through, but what you get is you get that lovely texture over the top, and yet you can still see the nice colours underneath. So a little bit darker here. I was thinking I might actually outline some of these bits here. Not too much, but just a little bit. Not too much. I think that's just about all I want to do with this. May add a little bit in. Quite like how these are a sort of shimmery pen, so that's why they're standing out light. I quite like how that happens. I do have some of the gold on here, but you maybe can't see that just now. Right, I'm going to leave this for now. Might work on it a little bit more. I'm going to take a wee step back from it just now, I think, and then decide.